Hi, everyone. Welcome to episode 14.
Today we're telling a story
A real story.
from the past.
Yes. Today we talk about past experiences.
And something strange happened to Emma last week
Why are you smiling like that?
because it was amazing.
It was not amazing.
It was a little amazing.
Imagine this. You go on a short trip.
You're excited.
You plan everything.
And then a problem happens.
A big problem.
But later, it becomes a funny story.
Quick question for you. What did you do last week?
Think about it.
Today, you will learn how to talk about past experiences.
You'll use simple past words like last week, yesterday, and ago.
You'll tell a short story.
And you'll describe if something was fun, boring, amazing, or a problem.
Let's begin.
So, Emma, what happened last week?
Last week, I traveled to a small town near the beach.
Oh, you traveled. Nice.
Yes, I visited my cousin.
Was it fun?
At first, yes, I was very excited.
What did you do there?
On the first day, we walked near the ocean.
That sounds amazing.
It was amazing. The weather was perfect.
So, where's the problem?
The problem happened on the second day.
Uh-oh.
We decided to go hiking in the morning.
Hiking near the beach? Cool.
Yes, but we started very early.
How early?
6 a.m.
That's not early.
Ben, it was early for me.
Okay, fair.
I was tired because I went to bed late the night before.
Why?
We talked for hours.
So what happened?
Halfway through the hike, I realized something.
What?
I forgot my phone.
That's not so bad.
And I forgot water.
Oh no, that's a problem.
Yes, I was tired and thirsty.
That sounds boring and uncomfortable.
It was not boring. It was stressful.
Did you finish the hike?
Yes, we did.
Wow, brave.
Not brave, just slow.
So was the trip fun or boring?
It was fun.
Even with the problem?
Yes, the problem happened, but it became a funny story later.
That's true.
And the sunset was amazing.
So the trip was amazing in the end.
Yes, I was tired, but excited.
So what did you learn?
I learned one thing.
What?
Always bring water.
Good lesson.
What about you? What happened to you yesterday?
Yesterday I stayed home.
Boring.
Very boring.
Nothing amazing?
No, just laundry.
That's a sad story.
It is.
Let's learn today's key vocabulary. Phrase 1. Last week.
Meaning the week before now.
Example. Last week I traveled.
Your turn. Say, last week I,
Word 2. Yesterday.
meaning the day before today.
Example. Yesterday I stayed home.
Your turn. Say, yesterday I,
Word 3. Ago.
meaning time before now.
Example. I visited my cousin 2 days ago.
Your turn. Say, 1 hour ago.
Word 4. Travel.
Meaning, go to another place.
Example, I traveled to the beach.
Your turn. Say, I traveled to.
Word 5. Visit.
Meaning, go see someone.
Example, I visited my cousin.
Your turn. Say, I visited.
Word 6. Fun.
Meaning, enjoyable.
Example, the trip was fun.
Your turn. Say, it was fun.
Word 7. Boring.
Meaning, not interesting.
Example, the movie was boring.
Your turn. Say, it was boring.
Word 8. Tired.
Meaning, you need rest.
Example, I was tired after hiking.
Your turn. Say, I was tired.
Word 9. Excited.
Meaning, very happy and energetic.
Example, I was excited about the trip.
Your turn. Say, I was excited.
Word 10. Happened.
Meaning, something occurred.
Example, a problem happened.
Your turn. Say, something happened.
Word 11. Problem.
Meaning, something difficult.
Example, we had a problem.
Your turn. Say, I had a problem.
Word 12. Amazing.
Meaning, very, very good.
Example, the sunset was amazing.
Your turn. Say, it was amazing.
Today's grammar focus is the simple past.
We use past verbs to talk about finished actions.
Example verbs. Traveled,
Visited,
stayed.
happened.
5 examples. 1. I traveled last week.
2. I visited my cousin.
3. We walked near the beach.
4. A problem happened.
5. I was tired.
Common mistake 1. I travel last week. I traveled last week.
Common mistake 2. I am tired yesterday. I was tired yesterday.
Sentence 1. Last week I traveled.
Last week I traveled.
Last week I traveled.
Last week I traveled.
Sentence 2. A problem happened.
A problem happened.
A problem happened.
A problem happened.
Sentence 3. It was amazing.
It was amazing.
It was amazing.
It was amazing.
Sentence 4. I was tired.
I was tired.
I was tired.
I was tired.
Sentence 5. I visited my cousin.
I visited my cousin.
I visited my cousin.
I visited my cousin.
Sentence 6. Yesterday I stayed home.
Yesterday I stayed home.
Yesterday I stayed home.
Yesterday I stayed home.
Sentence 7. It was fun.
It was fun.
It was fun.
It was fun.
Sentence 8. 2 days ago.
2 days ago.
2 days ago.
2 days ago.
Your turn. Answer after the pause. What did you do last week?
Last week I traveled. What happened yesterday?
Was it fun or boring?
It was fun. Were you tired?
Yes, I was tired.
Say something amazing.
The trip was amazing.
Say one problem you had.
I had a problem with my phone.
Question 1. What is the past of travel?
Answer: traveled. Question 2. What does ago mean?
Answer: time before now. Question 3. What is the past of am or is?
Answer: was. Question 4. Is this correct? I travel yesterday.
Answer: no. It should be I traveled yesterday.
Question 5. What does amazing mean?
Answer: very, very good.
Your mission today. Tell a short story about your past. Use these words: last week, yesterday, ago, it was.
Your mission today. Tell a short story about your past.
Use these words: last week, yesterday, ago, it was.
Record yourself and tell a 30-second story.
Say it slow, medium, natural.
Great job today.
You can now talk about past experiences.
Next episode, we'll talk about learning and improving.
See you in episode 15.
Take care.